Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make quick breakfast with just potato and vegetable. Please don't forget to watch this video till the end. So here I have my Irish potatoes, which I have already washed and peeled. I'm going to go ahead to cut them into smaller sizes. Guys, you can also use sweet potato, yam or plantain for this recipe. So after I'm done slicing my potato, I'm going to go ahead to transfer them in my frying pan. Then after that, I'm going to place my pan on the heat. Then I will add some water to it, cover the pot and allow it to cook until it becomes soft. So next, after I'm done cooking my potato now, I'm going to take it off the heat. Then I'll go ahead to place an empty frying pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. Then I'll add my sliced onion. I'm going to stir fry for 2 minutes. Then I'll go ahead to add my sliced sweet pepper, tomato, mixed bell pepper, broccoli, sliced carrots, and also my sliced green beans. So after I'm done adding my vegetables, I'm going to use my spatula to stir it. Next I will add a pinch of salt. After that I'll add my mixed seasoning herb, black powdered pepper, soya bean sauce. After that I'm going to continue stirring it with my spatula. Make sure you stir fry your vegetable for at least 2 minutes, and after that I'll go ahead to add in my cooked Irish potato. After I'm done adding the potato, I'll go ahead to use my spatula to stir to make sure I combine everything together. I'm going to stir fry my potato and my veggies for at least 5 minutes, and after that my breakfast is ready. This quick delicious meal is very good and healthy for those of us who are on weight loss journey. It is very good and very fast to make. So I'm going to go ahead to dish out my meal and enjoy. Please guys, tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.